Are we really gonna do this again?
We have the Unova Heavy Pokeballs. Let's go. We got the 6 White Flare, 6 Black Bolt, and let's start with the Black Bolt. We're opening up 2 packs today, so hopefully we get something. Mm, okay, nothing from this one, but that's exactly why we have another one. And this one we're gonna get something great. I can feel it. Okay, let's pretend that didn't happen. Okay. Like, well, okay. Maybe we'll get something next time. Thank you guys for watching, and please like, subscribe, or follow, and I'll see you later.